in my mind, it's far easier to be able to digitize something from the start. So from a clinical company, the more you're able to digitize earlier, the easier it is to go forward, right? When you're a behemoth, when you're a Teva or you're a Novartis or you're a BMS, right? When you look at those, it's much harder to be able to get everybody on board. In a clinical organization, I got 10 people. I just need to get 10 people on board with me and we go, right? We're agile, we have this ability to move and shake with kind of the trends and what's happening. So when you ask, kind of what are the difficulties of doing this, number one, it's bringing people on board. And why haven't they done it? Because they have 100,000 employees in their tech ops organizations, right? And you have to bring all of those along. So if you take the normal pharma, in my mind, the normal pharma model is, you're buying companies. So when you're buying companies, you're also buying technology and you're buying legacy systems. You're not necessarily moving to change those over at any given time. It's a slow process. You're in a regulated industry, and it's not just one regulatory body, right? If you're just launching in the US and you're only in the US, it makes it much easier. But if you have to deal with EMA or you have to deal with anything in the Middle East, South America, Brazil, Japan, Asia, you have more problems because you're dealing with more of these regulatory bodies and agencies to be able to get this to happen. So you're piecemealing your digitization together. So the difficulty comes when you get to be too big. When you need digitization the most, it's the hardest to get, right? Because not only, yeah, you have the funds and you have the ability to do it, but you're so splintered in a way, based on just how the industry has worked, how you've grown, and how you do your business.